www.espressoitalia.com.au. Our toll-free 24-hour number is 1300 660 976. We haven't shown you how to manually steam milk, so we're going to do that now. Here you will notice you've got a button here, and this is your manual steam arm, which has a plastic piece on top to stop you from burning yourself, because when you do steam or you run hot water through this steam hot water nozzle, it does get very hot, so be wary of it. You don't want to burn yourself, and keep the kids away as well. The steam does come out at about 120 degrees, so it is very hot, and it's something that your children don't want them to get near it. So we've got some milk here in our jug. The best way to froth your milk is to use the steam spout, so the spout of the jug, to keep the jug nice and level. Open up your steam to full and it will start pumping steam. Now, depending on what sort of milk you would like is dependent on where you put your steam tip. If you want froth, just put it below the surface of the milk and heat. If you want flatter milk for your flat whites and lattes, as a guide, have it halfway between the bottom of the jug and the top of your milk. Feel the bottom of the jug for the temperature that you would like. And when you've got the temperature that you would like, turn your steam off. And you can see got some fantastic froth milk here. If you get a few bubbles in, just knock it out gently. Keep the milk rolling. Just pour it in. Pour your milk in, and then you can top it up with coffee, and we should have a cloth somewhere that we can wipe the steam nozzle down. Watch this. www.espressoitalia.com.au, our toll-free 24-hour number, 1300 660 976. The cops are coming to get the coffee.